Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, a quick morning update. You can see the coins are down this morning. Bitcoin's 1.5, Doge is 2.5, XRP's 3, XLM's 4, and the CLO and the Quant, respectively, are 4% and 1.33 respectively. And we're just going to run through real quick in this early morning update as I have a lot of traveling to do today, driving back home for the weekend. Maybe see a little snowstorm. You can see Bitcoin looks like it's topping out up here. Right there as you double topped, and then we've been calling for this down here at 53,069. Still feel very comfortable with that. Watch for this to start trading like this and maybe pop back up, but this is going to eventually, I think, break down and come down to there, right? It could break up, but I'm thinking it's going to break down, and I have that 53,095 target that I love, and I think it's a beautiful target, and I think it will be achieved. The Doge coin, you can see, has been getting rejected. And right now, we're on the underside of this ring. And if we stay on the underside of the ring and get rejected, you can see what we have drawn down here yesterday, right? If you get rejected by this, you come down, then you hit this overhead ring, get forced down or resistance, and then trade down to the ring, right? You could be trading in this, or you could come all the way down and then trade back up. But I think you're going to be trading within this right here now, right? You got your upper resistance and your lower support sort of in this huge symmetrical triangle that you tried to break out of. Now, you may be coming back in. So if you can't hold this 26 level, you're coming back down to 21, 22, somewhere in there, right? So that's what we're watching out for in the Doge as we zoom on in here. That's right. Zoom in and isolate in closer, right? You can see we're getting rejected. We fell through with a big volume spike out of this ring. See this? Big volume spike right there. Big price move down, big volume spike on the breakout, confirms a price move, get bought back up, get rejected, and start coming down. That's classic right there. Now, if you trade into here and break that, then you're coming way down because you've already broke. You look for a big move in price, check. Big volume spike, check. Come back and back test, check. Starting to get rejected, and if you confirm the rejection, you're going to start to trade down in Doge, so those underneath targets that we just talked about. And the XRP is very similar. As you know, we've been very bearish on this, but calling the intermediate pumps. And right now, we think we're going to trade back down in the immediate short term down to about $1.07, because you got that green ring now that's acting as overhead resistance. And if you hit it up here today, it'd be up there. But I think you're going to start trading down because we have this underneath target of way down there, right? At about 78 cents, 79 cents, and we're still not breaking from that. And I do believe before this thing makes any substantial new highs, you're going to be way down there, and I'm not pulling off of that. Not down there, way down there at 72 to 75 cents. I'm not pulling off that. I still believe that'll be fulfilled, and I believe that's where we're going. So today, if we're above or below this green 200-day moving average, that's very key. If you drop below this 200-day moving average, that's bearish. If you can bounce off and start moving up, that's bullish, right? If you can get a base and end up in here later on today, that's very bullish. But if you continue to slither down into this region and below that 200-day moving average, very, very bearish. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and